Derbyshire, home to the UK's original national park.
Welcome to the Peak District. I'm here to show you just some of the heritage, hospitality and adventure on offer. And what better place than Standage Edge to get a fantastic view of it all. I'm on my way to meet Paul Smith from My Guided Walks, an expert in the area on landscape, geology and nature, to show me around a little bit more.
It's actually this fantastic area right in the centre of England where you've just got this amazing landscape and you've got these great open spaces. It's just an incredible area for really diverse adventure in the outdoors.
Many people come to the Peak District for the landscape, but right now we're going to look at some of the unique geology and cultural heritage lying below the ground. I've got my hammer, my guide is taking me down, hopefully find some Blue John stone.
So there are a couple of original tools used by the miners.
John has found me a rich Blue John vein, about to tap off 230 million years of history. No pressure. Treecliff Cavern gets you literally into the bedrock of Derbyshire, and you get to take away a beautiful memento from the day. After a busy day adventuring underground, where better to rest your head than in a tree house? Here at Wild Hive, they've got a fantastic collection of accommodation right in an ancient woodland. And with seasonal food, you really get a taste for the Peak District right on the plate. And with its own dedicated map route and a fleet of bikes, it's the perfect place to explore the Peak District from. Quintessential English country house with a focus on well-being and bursting with opportunity to immerse yourself in nature. From a forest hideaway to the grandeur of a Georgian crescent, Buxton Market Town has been a historic destination for its healing thermal waters for centuries.
It's a fantastic example of Georgian architecture and one of the only true Georgian crescents that still remains in its entirety.
Buxton Crescent provides the cultural and natural heritage of the area, with the period features and the source of the thermal springs. After a recharge at the hotel's restaurant and spa facilities, it's just a stone's throw to your next adventure. This is the Monsell Trail, one of 5 traffic-free accessible routes in the area. We're here to hire some bikes from Hassop Station. Being disused railway lines, these trails give you fantastic access as well as brilliant views to some of the industrial heritage like these viaducts and some of the tunnels. When you're riding along the Monsell Trail, the points of interest come thick and fast. Now let's see where we're headed for our last stop. There's one more aspect we want to show you on this tour of the Peak District, and that's the cultural heritage. So let's explore the majesty, the grandeur, the quintessentially English experience of Chatsworth House and Gardens. Chatsworth has inspired film and literature. Inside and outside, it's easy to let your imagination get carried away and get transported to another time. We've shown you a window into just some of the things you can do, from above ground and below ground adventures to taking some time out for yourself. So we invite you now to explore a little bit further.